Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I will unbox the fully automatic top load washing machine from Haier. This is a rat guard protecting the washing machine from rats. Good quality package offering Haier for their products. After removing from the box, this is the washing machine. Inside the machine we can find a water pipe and a user manual for the product. Let's keep it aside for a while. Here is the stainless steel washing drum for washing clothes. Use detergent liquid, softeners and detergent powder here. Lint and dust collector. Let's keep it back in the original place. This is the control panel for the machine. We can select wash cycles, wash programs and water levels using this. If you are new to automatic machines, you can check with this control panel how to use detergent for different water levels. On the front side of the machine, we can see energy consumption and star rating details. Have to connect a water pipe here to collect water from the tap. This is a water existing pipe and this hole helps to hold the water pipe after using the machine. In top load washing machines, motor mechanism was installed in the bottom of the machine. For front load, it will be placed over the back side of the machine. The rat guard installation was done. Let's take the machine to wash area for installation. Old pipe's condition was good, so I am using an old pipe to keep the new one as a backup. Water pipe installation was completed and started the machine for test wash. So let's check wash programs. Tide cycle for normal wash, soak for pre-soak, delicate for soft fabric clothes, quick wash for washing quickly. Using the program and water level keys to switch wash programs and wash cycles and water levels. Wash cycles. Wash, rinse, spin and tub dry for clean the tub. Minimum water level is 12 liters and maximum is 46 liters. If a red light flashes, then the water level is set to left side liters. If a red light is normally on, then water level are set to right side liters. Put some cloths for test wash using detergent as guided on the control panel for selected water liters. After 45 minutes of the washing process, you can see the machine how washes my jeans. Machine washes my jeans neatly and dries them up to 70% with the spin cycle. This is the unboxing and initial review of the Haier washing machine. Thanks for watching the video.